Hey girls and boys, Mr. McAndrew, of course, with you for math again today. So in addition to working on your doubles facts this week, I want you to keep learning and memorizing and exploring your tens partners. So remember, what are tens partners? They are two numbers that when they come together make 10. So for example, 5 and 5, when they come together, make 10. So 5 and 5 are tens partners, right? In fact, your hands are really good at coming up with tens partners. For example, I could do 6 and 4 make 10, right? I've got 6 fingers up right now. 4 more make 10. Remember last week we played Splat and we were learning about tens partners? Okay? So what about 7? 7 and what gives me 10? 7 and 3, right? 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so your fingers are really good at this. What if I had 8? I just have to add 2 more to make 10. And if I have 9, I just have 1 more to make 10. Okay, so we want to get really good at our tens partners. Right? If I have 2, how many more do I have to add? Etc. Okay, so towards that end, we're going to play a game today. Right now, you just need to follow along with me. But you do have a double 10 frame in your math bag. So if you want to take that out with some connecting cubes, you are welcome to do that. But right now, it's not necessary. So I am going to roll a dice. I did this by going to Google and typing in dice roller, okay? And I'm going to click the 10-sided one. I'm going to click this to get rid of it. And here's how it works. I'm going to roll the dice. If it lands on 10, I'm going to roll again. Okay, so 5, right? So I'm going to come back here. Okay, and I'm going to put down 5. So, show me number of fingers. How many more do I need to make 10, to fill up this whole 10 frame? Forget about this one, okay? Forget about that one. Just this one right here. How many more cubes do I need to make 10? So show me the number of fingers that you would say. Okay, if you're holding up 5 fingers, you are correct. Because if I add 5 more, I get 10. Remember, 5 and 5 makes 10. Okay, let's do another one. All right, let's roll it again. 1, 2, 3, roll. What are we going to get? Oh, 2. Interesting. So, if we only have 2 cubes down, right? If we only have 2, how many more do I need to add to get 10? What's 2 partners with what to get 10? What do I need to partner it with? So how many more do I need to add? Let's find out. I have 2. I can add 3 up here, and I can fill this in down here. So 2 and what makes 10? We already said that 5 plus 5 equals 10. So 2 plus something equals 10. What is it? Show me number of fingers. 2 plus what? Yes, 8. 8 more. 2 plus 8, okay, gives me 10. So 2 and 8 are tens partners. Okay. All right, should we do another one? Kind of fun, right? All right, let's go back to our dice roller. Here we go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, roll. 1. Oh my goodness. Let's try for a higher number. Let's get a higher number. Come on, higher number. 4. All right, 4. We'll do 4. So let's go back. Okay, let's take these off. So we already have 4. What number can I add to 4 to make 10? How many more spaces do I have left here in my 10 frame? Show me number of fingers. What do you think? Let's find out. If you said 4 and so 4 plus something equals 10. If you're showing me 6 fingers, you are correct. Because look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 and 6 are tens partners. Okay, I'm going to do this one more time. I want a higher number this time. Okay, so wish me luck. Here we go. Roll. Oh, perfect, 7. Okay, so if I have down a 7 cubes on my 10 frame, how many more do I need to make 10? So in other words, 7, there's my 7, okay? 5 up top, 6, 7. All right, so 7. Okay, let's erase these. 7 plus something equals 10. And let's cover up this one because we're not using it. So what is it? 7 plus, can you see that it's 3? 1, 2, whoopsie daisy. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 7 plus 3 is 10. So those are 10 partners. So what I want you to do this week is spend a few minutes each week playing what I call the tens partners game. Okay, so it looks like this. You'll have this in your math packet. All right, I'm going to play a few. So it looks a lot like the doubles. It'll look a lot like another game that you're going to play, the doubles game. Okay, so all you do is you want to take out your 10-sided dice that looks like this. Okay, it looks like this. The only number you're not going to use is 10. Right, because we already know 10 plus nothing is 10. Okay, so here's how it works. All right, watch me do it, and then I want you to do it. So right now, if you don't already have it, pause the video and take out your Monday Tens Partners game paper. Okay, it looks like the doubles one, so make sure it says Tens Partners. All right, and you want your 10-sided dice. Okay, looks like this. All right, so once you have that, come on back, and I'll show you how to play. So I'm going to roll the dice. Okay, now if you have two different color markers, that's great, but if you don't, it's totally fine. Okay, so I rolled a 1. So I'm going to shade in 1. I'm just going to circle in 1. So 1 plus something equals 10. Well, how many are left? Well, let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Didn't anybody know that pretty quickly? You might have seen that there was 5 here and 4 here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 and 9 are 10th partners. Here, I'll do another one, okay? I'm going to roll it. I got another one. Forget that. If you roll the same number, you can always roll again. All right? Make it fun. Make it interesting. Oh, my goodness. I rolled a 1 again. This is incredible. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Boys and girls, it's a 1 again. How is this happening? Okay, is there something in this dice? Let's try it one more time. Here we go. Here we go. 8. Oh, phew. My goodness gracious. 8. All right. So let's draw 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 plus something equals 10. What's my partner? Who partners up with 8 to make 10? Well, you can see that there are 2 spaces left. So 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay? So you can use these 10 frames here to help you figure it out. So fill up this paper. Okay, there's like 1, 2, 3. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5. So there's 10 of them. Okay, so you just keep rolling. Oh, another 8. My goodness. If you don't like what you rolled, if it's the same one, then you can roll a different one. Okay? All right, so have fun. Lots of games today with dice and 10 frames. This is really good stuff for you guys to be learning math. So do a great job. Have fun. Okay? I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.